Hello students, before this video we had learned about capital and small cursive letters, that is A, B, C, D and E. These 5 letters we had learned in our previous video. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the next letter of the cursive. What is that? Yes, F. You can see here, this is called F. Then how do we write this F letter in cursive writing? So look at here clearly. This is the capital F and this is small f. So firstly we are going to trace capital F letter just like this. This is a capital F. Now small f. Look at here. You have to trace like this. Capital F, small f. We are learning about cursive handwriting, cursive letters. Yes, this is called F. Now, this is a small f. Okay, now G. Trace the capital Z cursive letter like this. Now, capital not capital, this is a small z. Yes, capital cursive G, small cursive G. So you should write here also. Look at here. You have to write just like this, capital Z and small z. Okay. Now here H capital cursive letter. So you have to write just like this. Okay. And small cursive H. You have to write just like this. This is a H. So we have write here also. Like this. And small H. Yes. H. Now look at the I cursive letter. Capital I. So you have to write like this. I. And small I, it's very simple. Just write like this. I. So also you should write here also. I. Small I. Okay. Now here you have given J. I. J. So write J. So you have to trace on them letter J and small letter J, just like simple. So you should write below this letter. Okay, and now I, small I, like this. Very simple. My dear students, you should trace these letters F, G, H, I and J. Okay, you have to trace on them, and also like this you have to write following with lines. Okay, so now we are going to write K. J के बाद K, J after K. Now look at this. How do we draw the K? Okay, like this. Small k. Now look at here. Write the capital K. Just like this. And small k like this. Yes. Now you have to trace on L, letter L. This is capital L and this is small l. It's very simple. So you should write here also. Write like this and small l like this. Yeah, it's so simple. Now look at the M letter. M, you have to trace on the M capital letter like this. And now small m like this. Okay. So you should write here also M and small m. Now N. You should trace on letter N and now the small n also. So you should write here also these letters just like this and this small n. Wow, it's so simple. You should also write like this. Okay. Last letter, look at here. We are going to trace now O letter. Also small o. You have to trace like this. Okay. Now we are going to write here O, capital O cursive and small o like this. Okay. My dear students, you have to trace these all letters in your cursive letter textbook. Okay. Hopes you understand. You have to first trace letter on them and also look at these letters and write down below these lines. Okay. Hopes you understand. Thank you.